my thing to plant. And I ran out of those chilies. They didn't come up. So these are ones that I grew. And I had done this before. And the plant turned out pretty good, actually. These I grew a couple years ago. So we shall see. I have just planted a chili pepper before. And yeah, they did come up. But I didn't want to do that this time. No. Oh. Back over here a bit. Alright, so okay. Go over here. Again. Oh no. Oh, I've made a terrible mistake. Oh, I made a terrible mistake. And we'll see what happens with that one. That actually looks interesting. So we'll check on this. I think it's about 2 weeks we'll check on it. But I think I've made a terrible mistake. So, oh my. I don't know how you can companion plant with onions. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. I didn't mean to do this. I didn't. So, we will check on this and see what we could do about it later. Cause see my little onions? Yeah, I knew I made the mistake as I was doing it. But I can still move the onions. It's okay. I can't believe I did this. Well, we'll find out if it works, won't we? And I just keep coming in here and spraying it down. And no, the jalapenos haven't come up yet. So, let's hope so. Because I desperately need some jalapeno. But I will speak to you later. This is just a little quick one. I have to rebuild everything, and it's springtime coming up, but it's springtime in here already. So I gotta get this stuff ready to go. And let's hope we have a really nice abundance. You have yourself a wonderful day, and I will as well. I'll speak to you later. Bye.